Hello. Okay, back on my cooking chronicles. So today I'm making some crab, jumbo crab lump, jumbo crab lump dip, and then I'm gonna come back with a mukbang. I've been hearing a lot about this mukbang, so I'm gonna try it. So first off, you're gonna need 12 ounces of cream cheese. You could use any cream cheese that you like, but I like using Nancy's. It's really good, actually. Nancy's cream cheese. So this is and you put room temperature. So this is an 8 ounce right here. And then I got another 4 ounces right here, if it'll want to come out. Hope y'all having a great start to your week. Mine has been very busy. I don't know if I told some of you that my son is being heavily recruited for football. So yesterday they had a camp. It's camp season. So then you're going to use 1/3 cup of mayo, any kind that you want. I use Hellman's Heinz, I guess it is. I use this. Oops. This is what I use. That's the type of mayo that I use. Then you're going to add a half of a lemon, squeeze the lemon juice in. So I just cut mine and cut the lemon in half and then cut it into twos. That's that. Then next, you're going to add your 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. This is what I bought. You could use any sharp cheddar cheese that you want. I got this from Sprouts. That's a half a cup. What am I going to do next? Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. And you want to make sure, if I didn't say, that your cream cheese is room temperature, because it'll be a lot softer and easier to mix up without all of the hassle. So finally, I went and pulled out my little bootleg phone stand that I bought when I was trying to do videos and stuff with LuLaRoe. So that is mixed up. You're also going to add actually 3 teaspoons of Old Bay. I forgot to add that. Then you add the cheddar cheese, then you mix. I've never made this before. I have made artichoke dip before, but this is new to me. So got that. Then you're going to add your crab meat. You need 1 pound of crab meat. You can buy this is jumbo lump real crab meat. So you need 2 of these, or either one big container that's 1 pound. And when you put your crab meat in, you want to fold it in so it don't crumble up and stuff. You see that? So just fold it in with your mixture. Well, do your thing how you know best to do it. I hope y'all get out there and y'all try this. I'm pretty sure I love seafood. And I love dips. I love all different types of dips. Normally I do my dips for like Super Bowl. stuff like that. I do a bunch of dips. Make sure this is still recording. And what you want to do while you're doing this, before you get started, set your oven to 400. Put it on 400 so it can start to preheat. So once you finish with everything, you could just put it in the oven. So then I'm gonna add, how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna add a little bit into the mix. This is a mozzarella provolone mix I got from Sprouts, but you can use whatever mozzarella provolone mix that you like. So I'm gonna just put a little bit into the mix, and then I'm gonna sprinkle the rest on top. So then I got my bowl, my my pan that I'm gonna put it in. And you wanna scrape everything out, make sure you get all of that. You don't want to be wasting no crab meat, because sometimes, depending on what brand you get, that crab meat is expensive. The one that I got from Sprouts, I think, was $13 a container for each container. So you smooth it out. Sorry for the banging. I'm gonna put some smoked paprika on the top. This is the kind that I use from Sprouts. And then I'm gonna try, I like cooking with this. A lot of people may not know about this seasoning, but I like cooking with it. And it's called Aleppo pepper. This is it right here. And so you can use it for pastas, chicken, barbecues, any type of macaroni salad or anything. So yeah. And so now I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of my cheese. This is a 6-ounce bag. So you want a 6-ounce bag of your provolone mozzarella blend. And you just sprinkle it all over the top. I added some to my mix. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But I did. And that's it. And then you're gonna put it in your oven on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So I will be back.